Hi guys, this is Tasnim. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how you can curl your hair without using any heat. These curls look very vintage, so let's get started. At first, you want to brush out your hair and make sure there are no tangles at all. After that, you want to go ahead and separate your bangs from the rest of your face. If you don't have bangs, then you can obviously skip this step, but if you have some face framing pieces, you want to also separate it and pin it backwards because I don't think curling them will look nice, but you can obviously curl them. It's totally optional. Just went with a punch clip and pinned it backwards. Moving on to the actual step, curling our hair, you want to take some tissue napkins and then open it horizontally and start to roll them like so that you have a horizontal roll, and then you want to twist the roll to make sure that the roll isn't opening, and this way you will have a long horizontal roll. I went off camera and made several of these rolls because I have pretty long hair. Now what I'm gonna do is take a section of hair from the front of my face, I guess, and then wet it with some water. After that, you want to glide the tissue roll down your hair and start to twist it around the tissue. You want to start from the end of your hair and then slowly move upwards. Make sure you are curling away from your face. You don't have to make sure about it. I'm just curling it away from my face on the left side, but on the right side I'm gonna show you guys how I curl towards my face. But over here I'm just tying a knot so that the curl is in place. Do add 2 knots if you want to, like, this will ensure that your curls are tight. Over here, I'm doing the same thing. Take some hair and start to roll your hair away from your face. Begin at the ends and move upwards, and then once you reach the top of your head, go ahead and give 2 knots so that everything is tight and you will come out with tight curls at the end. Okay, so on the right side, which is my left side, I am going to be curling the hair towards my face. I'm just doing this to show you guys the difference of what the curl will look like if you curl away from your face and towards your face. So on the right side, all the curls are going to be towards my face, and on the left side, all the curls are going to be away from my face. Once you reach the top of your head, add 2 knots so that it is nicely secure. So I went off camera and I did all the curls. Okay, so 5 hours later, it's time to open these curls up, and let me tell you, these are so comfortable. You can sleep in them, you can do anything. Only you're gonna look a little oompa loompa, but that's all right. So here I'm opening the curls that I did on the left side of my face, and as you guys can see, the curls came out beautifully, but it is a little frizzy. But when you see me opening the curls on the right side of my face, where I curled towards my face, I don't know if it's getting a little confusing, but you guys get it, I guess. So the curls are a little more tamed and it isn't that frizzy. So if you want my recommendation, I will tell you guys to curl towards your face so that everything looks more manageable and easy. So I then opened up all the tissues and give your hair a nice little shake so that all the curls are blended in. Okay, so now you're left with some beautiful luscious curls. But now I'm gonna style my hair. You can skip this step, obviously. I'm just taking some hair from the front of my face and brushing it out, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side of my face, like brush out the front hair and take these 2 strands of hair at the back of my face and pin it down. I know the pin wasn't straight, but I went off camera and straightened up the pin, and this is about it for the curls. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. Stay safe, love you all so much, bye.